YouTube family, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, happy Saturday, man. It is release Saturday, depending on when you watch this video, man. But today, the date of this video, May 14th, man, we do have a couple things dropping today, man. We do have the Air Jordan 11 Low 72 and 10s alongside the Jordan 3 Neapolitan women's exclusive, which does not come in extended size, man. Hey, they dropped the ball on this one in my opinion, because that should have been a full family size shoe, because hey, it's fire, man. It's fire. But anyways, man, today we are diving into an unboxing, man. Some shoes, well, a shoe and another pickup. Well, shoes with an S, because I'm gonna be showing y'all more than one shoe, but you know, some shoes and stuff that your boy picked up I wasn't able to show y'all, but hey, I'm catching myself up, you know what I'm saying, a little bit, so I do have them here with me. But before we dive into it, man, we need y'all newcomers, man, to stick around. How you do that? You hit that subscribe button, and hey, for everybody in general, man, hit that like button, run the lights up for your boy, man. Let's get this video up to 1K, man. 1K, we get like 1K views in an hour, man. So hey, if y'all come in, hit that like button, we can run them lights up real quick, man. I'm just trying to get the engagement, the channel out there, you know what I'm saying? Because we making movies, bro. If you know, you know, man. But anyways, besides that, man, look, summertime is coming up, and I know a lot of y'all gonna be taking trips, man. So with that being said, man, grab you a Soul Premise bag, man. They got you covered for any trip that you were trying to take. Yes, sir. Bang! This is the Luciano leather bag, man. Holds up to 6 pairs of shoes if you a size 9 like myself, or maybe 5 or so if you like 11 and up, man. But hey, man, incredible bag. You see the material. You can put your laptop in there. You can put your deodorant, your tank tops, your pants, man, the list goes on, man. If you were going anywhere, grab the ultimate traveling bag, the Soul Premise bag. Link down below in the description. It will save you 40% off your entire order, man. So make sure that you hit that link down below in the description. Secure your bag today, and trust me, it'll make your traveling life much easier, man. But with all that being said, man, hey, let's get into the topic at hand, which is these unboxings and what your boy done picked up that I gotta show y'all, man. Appreciate you. Bang, man. So here we go, man. The first box that your boy does have is a Nike box, which I ain't closing right, but yeah, man, we got a Nike box right here. Red Nike box, as you can see. Size tag is Nike Air Max 1. This is actually an early look. Some retailers have released them. Some retailers still got them holding for a specific release date. I think the specific release date for this in particular shoe is... It is Air Max 1. Color blocking is light matter root vivid green, man. So this is the matter root joints. Releasing soon, like I said, man. Box, lot number, all that good stuff. Here they go. Bang! The matter root Air Max 1s, man. Just, man, let it sink in, bro. Is that not a clean pair of Air Max, man? Clean, 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 man. So these will be releasing soon. Like I said, I'm not sure of an official release date for these, but bruh, whew. Bang! Take a look at them right here, man. This shoe is clean. I actually looked at this shoe about 4 or 5 times. I picked it up, looked at it. I was like, they clean, put it back down. Picked it up again, looked at it again, they clean. And about 5th time, I said, let me go ahead and grab those. I do not want to sleep on those. Very clean shoe. Like I said earlier, man, summertime is on the way. So this is the perfect shoe for the summer, man. You know your boy might have to swap them out with some like green, that same exact color green. Laces right there, man. Or, you know, you could probably throw the light blue in there. You know, the light blue might go crazy, man. But this is a clean Air Max 1 in my opinion, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on these. It does have those hits of that neon green inside the air bubble system, as well as on the swoosh. All over, well, not all over, but you do have hits of suede, as well as like a nubuck, man. So clean pair of Air Max, man. Like sail interior sock liner, man. So see what's going on with them, man. Very, very clean. Really, you can throw some like mocha laces. Some mocha laces might make this pop, you know what I'm saying? Bring out the shoe. So just sky's the limit with them, man. And like I said, summertime is coming up. Throw you on a calm, light colored, you know what I'm saying, earth tone fit. Kicks going crazy, man. So this is one that I was like, yo, let me cop those, add them to the collection. The Nike Air Max 1 Matter Roots. And like I said, depending on your location, you might be able to find some of these in your local area. But I think the sneakers app exclusive or Nike exclusive release of these will be in about a week or so. Not as sure the exact date, but if I do figure out the date, I will leave it down below in the comments somewhere. So check out the comment section, as well as let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Matter Root Air Max 1s, man. So this is the first pickup right here. I don't know, man. I haven't been doing no on feet to Air Max, man. Would y'all like to see on feet to those? Maybe like something in the crib, or maybe I throw on a fit, man. Y'all let me know, man. Look, I told y'all 1,000 likes, man. Y'all give me 1,000 likes and talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna bring it to y'all, man, because hey, that's what I'm about, man. We gotta cater to the fam. But anyways, man, let's dive into these other unboxings. Appreciate it. Bang! Unboxing number 2, man, right here. Your boy does have a package. I got this from Nike, bro. I literally had this package for like a week and a half, a week or something like that, man. I had this for a while, bro. As well as the next thing I'm about to show you. I had these for a while. Usually I dive into it before I even make it in the house from picking it up off the front porch or something, but you know, I've been busy, man. But popping open this box, what we got, man? We do have a shirt. We do have a shirt right here, man. So I did pick up a shirt, man. If you guys checked out one of my recent vlogs, my last vlog actually it is, my last in-store vlog, I did see this shirt, but they didn't have my size. So I had to go over to Nike, the Nike app that is, you know what I'm saying, and cop this shirt, which is fire in my opinion. The multicolor Jordan Jumpman 2-3 shirt, that is how the side patch logo looks. And then on the back, you do got that creative, like all over painted, you know, a portrait of Jordan right there, man. And hey, if y'all didn't see that vlog, this shirt right here was meant to go with bang, the Air Jordan 5 low Dornbeckers, man. Dope shoe in my opinion. Let me know if y'all want to see. Like I said, man, 1,000 likes, run them up, man. I'll hit y'all with all this stuff, but the engagement has to be there. If it's not there, man, I ain't gonna be there, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I did say, bam, you see them both right there. Very good match. You know, I might have on some plain shorts with this because I don't want to go too crazy. The shirt goes crazy, the shoes go crazy, the shorts definitely has to be plain, man. But let me know your thoughts on this tee. Going with the Air Jordan 5 low Dornbeckers. Very dope in my opinion, man. But hey, I'll throw them all together, man. Y'all just leave the feedback. But that is pickup number 2 right there. This shirt, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's keep it moving. My guy, bang. Yes, the third and final pickup comes from my homie Jake Trent, man. Jake Trent is somebody that I met, man, through the fam. Just like, you know, I be meeting y'all here and there on Instagram. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at JayTheSneakerGuy on Instagram, and I post up all my outfit pics and, you know, kicks, like first looks of shoes that you probably haven't seen before on my Instagram, man. So follow JayTheSneakerGuy on Instagram. But yeah, man, like I said, I did meet Jake through the fam, man. So shout out to Jake. He actually sold me my pair of Union 4s, my off Noahs. He sold me my off Noahs for retail pretty much, man. So, you know, he been blessing me and I've been blessing him, looking out for him on certain shoes, man. So big shout out to the homie Jake, man. Jake Trent, he sent these right to me from the location they came from. He didn't even open the box. He said he wants to wait for me to open them. And hey, shout out to him, man. Shout out to him. But this shoe did release a couple weeks back. I had this shoe for like a week, just haven't got to the unboxing. But popping open the box, man, what we got from my guy Jake. What you done got me? Oh man, you done started something, my boy. You done started something, because I do have to get the second pair to this. I gotta get the other colorway because, you know, I gotta have a set, man. I can't just get one and not have the other, man. So moving that box, I got me a crispy box right here. Bang! Here we go right here, man. It does come in this style box, man. If you know, you know. Some of you already know what I got right here. Some of y'all are wondering what this is. Let me let y'all know, man. This is the Air Jordan 2 Retro SP. Color blocking is Rattain, Siren, Red, Beach. So that is the color blocking on it, man. That is the size tag. That is how it looks. So shout out to the homie Jake Trent again for blessing me with these. I did see these for the first time, man. Tag on the top, man. Take a look at that. But I did see these for the first time at the Just Nice Sneaker Convention when I went out there. They actually sold quick, man. They did not stick around, but cream colored top of the lid. You do have that Jordan, and is that like a Union? A Flight? Somebody dancing? I don't know what they got going on. But anyways, man, let's take a look at these joints. Ooh, yes, sir. Bang! Yes, sir, man. Your boy wasn't asleep, man. I did get the Air Jordan 2 Rattain Union joints. Is that the way you pronounce it? I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, man. But yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me take out both of them, man. Let me take out both shoes, see if they do come with like extra laces or anything. Yeah, they do come with extra laces. Gotta have them extra laces, man. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got them both right here. Whew, whew, whew. And I gotta get that blue pair, man. If y'all got that blue pair in a size 9 or 9.5, hit your boy up because I gotta complete the set. But bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 2 Union joints, and this is my like third pair of twos in my collection. I'm not big on the twos at all, but I am so I do have my off-white twos, and I do got Union twos, man. I'm still needing the Chicago. I need the Chicago twos, and I think I'll be good after that. But yeah, man, here they go right here. The Rattain Union 2s, very clean in my opinion. I think that this is the better colorway of the two in my personal opinion, but I still do need that blue pair, man. So hey, if y'all know what a 9 is at, or a 9.5, legit, you know what I'm saying, hit your boy up, and you know, we can work some numbers, man. But yes, man, this is the pickups that your boy had. Like I said, I had this shoe for a while. I just never unboxed it. But ooh, smells whew, magnificent, man. But yes, man, shout out to the homie Jake Trent again, man, for blessing me with these, man. And yo, man, hey, just need that blue pair to complete the set. Let me know if y'all want to see these on feet, man, by running them likes up, man. So hit that like button. Let me know. Hey, grab yourself a Soul Premise bag. Other than that, man, Jordan 5 t-shirt that I got. These Air Max Matter Root joints. Is that the name of it? I forgot. But yeah, man, these is fire pickups, man. So let me know which one y'all like, you know what I'm saying, out of these two shoes. What was the highlight of the video? Other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Y'all stay blessed. Jordan 3 Neapolitan movie should be coming soon, man, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, y'all stay blessed, man. We out. Peace.